Welcome to Bell CB, everybody. As you can see, we're looking at the Cobra 29WXNWBT. I'm going to change a few things today on my show. I'm going to start showing the microphone laying in front of the radio as we start the video so you can see what we're using. As you know, I'm usually using one of these most of my videos because that's where I can have no feedback when we're monitoring on the radio above. But since these radios are restricted pretty much to using that mic, I mean, I have a few other options, but most people are using that microphone on this radio. I thought it was senseless to have that other mic on there, so we'll start using that mic on this radio from now on for demonstrations, and we'll also show the mic, so you'll usually see this one laying in front of the radio in future demos. Okay, this is a Cobra 29WXNWBT. This is for Shannon in Iowa. This is a tune-up report, so let's get right to that. Shannon, up on this watt meter, we're looking at a 10 watt scale up here on top. Okay, so that's 4 and that's 6 right there. And we're just almost 5. On this peak reading watt meter, this is a 50 watt slug, so we're going to look at the middle one, 2030 right there.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Not too bad. Alright.
Over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check.
A little bit of a stock mic sound. I can't get rid of that. But much nicer. Let's put it on the radio. What time is out here today? I haven't plugged in the speaker yet. Whole bunch of stuff going on. A little bit of Bassmaster going on. It's a long